Hello everyone. My name is Rudy, and I'm the town manager for Gray. I'm here today to tell you about an exciting opportunity we have to rehabilitate and reuse former commercial and industrial sites in Gray using support from a federal Brownfields assessment program. What are Brownfield sites? Brownfield sites are properties that the United States Environmental Protection Agency and the Maine Department of Environmental Protection have designated as hazardous or potentially hazardous due to long-term pollution, such as what commercial production sites, factories, or surface mines can produce. These sites are referred to as brownfields to distinguish them from green fields, like farmland, open space, and forests that are also available for development but thought to be uncontaminated. There is one widely known brownfield site in Gray, the former McKinn Company Superfund site on Mayall Road. The 7-acre McKinn Company site opened in 1965, and for 13 years it stored solvents, oils, and chemicals. As many as 200,000 gallons of waste are estimated to have been produced or stored there annually during those years. The site was identified as a Superfund site due to its size and the extent of its contamination. But a brownfield site could also be something small, like a building with lead paint or asbestos insulation that isn't being reused due to the cost of abatement. Cleanup actions at McKinn started at 1979, and in March 2020, the EPA delisted the McKinn site from their national priorities list, which is great news for Gray. That means that major cleanup efforts from the years-long pollution at that site are complete, and that land is one major step closer toward reuse or redevelopment. If you want to learn more about the McKinn site, I encourage you to visit the EPA's website, www.epa.gov. Right now, we don't know if there are other sites in Gray that will qualify as a brownfield site, but most towns do have a former commercial site, gas station, dry cleaning or storage facility that's been blighted by contamination or the perception that it may be contaminated. We now have a path forward toward figuring that out. Gray received $500,000 from the US EPA to assess town properties for other possible brownfield sites. This is a voluntary economic development program for property owners and generally helps owners with the process of returning sites to constructive use. We've established the Town Council-approved Brownfields Advisory Committee to help guide the use of these funds in an efficient and responsible manner, with the committee assisting town staff with identifying potential properties for environmental assessment, cleanup, and reuse planning. I'm looking forward to working with them to help make Gray safer, cleaner, and more prosperous in the 21st century. I'm excited about the Brownfields program because I have seen the positive effect it can have on local economic development and revitalization. If you have any questions about Brownfields work in Gray or have a site you think we should consider, please contact my office at 207-657-3339. Thank you.